Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Algorithms and Flowchart Light Academia. In this series of videos, I will try to explain algorithm and flowchart easier and more understandable way. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now, if you're ready, let's start our first example of input and output. Let's read the question together. It says that write an algorithm and draw the flowchart that will ask the user to enter an integer value for the input hour. So we know that the value will be an integer one and there is an input which is going to be the hour. Then the algorithm will convert it to minutes as an output. The output will be printed at the output screen. Yes, because we would like to see the result of the algorithm. So let's start to write the algorithm right now. But before that, it is better to write the variables that we are going to declare in the memory. So we have input and we have output. What are the inputs? What are the outputs? In this example, we have only one input, which is going to be the integer hour. So the variable name totally depends on the programmer. As the question says hour, I am just sticking on this one and it is hour. So we have minutes, which is going to be the output. So we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So according to that, since the hour is integer, minute is going to be integer as well because of this conversion. So what we are going to do in this case, we are going to start our algorithm with the step number 0. So we can start our algorithm. Step number 1, declare your variables. What are your variables? So simple. Integer hour and integer minutes. Since we write the integer here, we don't need to write it again, but if you write it, that's fine. Minutes. All right. And in step number 2, what the question says to us, ask the user to enter an integer value. So in here, we have to say that, please enter an integer value, or simply say that, enter hour, which is our variable. And the user enters the hour, so the algorithm will simply convert it to the minutes. So I am writing here, minutes will be equal to, all right, so I will always multiply it with 60. 60 times how many hours we entered, it will be written like that. So there is no way to write like this, 60 times hour equals to minutes. This is totally wrong because in algorithm and in C programming language, we are always calculating on the right hand side and we assign it to the left hand side. This is an assignment operator. We simply assign it. And in the step number 4, as the question says, the output will be printed at the output screen. So I am going to say that print minutes. And in the step number 5, and we finish the algorithm in here. In 5 steps, starting from 0 till 5, the algorithm has been finished. Now it is time to draw the flowchart. There are some specific shapes for each of the operation. Let's use those shapes. So I am just saying that step number 0, start. So start always declared with an oval shape. Step number 1, variable declaration, hour, minutes. So variable declaration, mathematical operation needs to be declared with a rectangle. So this is the oval shape, this is the rectangle. And in the step number 2, there is an entry in here, variable entry. So the variable entry generally declared as a trapezoidal shape. And in step number 3, we are having a mathematical calculation like we performed in the declaration in step number 1. So the same thing, rectangle needs to be written, drawn. And in the step number 4, there is a printing minutes. So generally parallelogram will be used for the printing, the output. And in the step number 5, there is an and. Oval shape again will be used for that one. So this is the oval shape as well. All the steps are connected together. That's why you need to put a connection arrow in between the steps. You can either write the algorithm inside the flowchart if you like it, or if you just leave it like that, it is totally up to you. So that was the example regarding the input and output. We have only one input and one output. We may have multiple inputs and multiple outputs according to the algorithm given. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.